Welcome to IJS Istanbul Jewelry Show. Thousands of industry professionals are here to connect, discover and grow. From jewelry to technology, the latest collections and trends are brought to life here. Today, we saw meaningful connections being made across every hall. New partnerships started, ideas were exchanged, and businesses begin to take shape. Alongside the exhibition, seminars and workshops brought fresh insights to the industry.
Beyond the showcases, this is where real connections happen, where inspirations turns into opportunity.
IJS Istanbul Jewelry Show is more than just a trade show. It's where the global jewelry community meets. Day one is just the beginning. Join us for tomorrow for more discoveries, more connections, and more unforgettable moments.